After a year of living aboard the Villa Vie Odyssey, the residential cruise ship, we were replaced in a matter of days. How did that happen? Well, you probably know that it was just a few days ago that we put up our cruise cabin for sale. Now, this happened just a little bit after we had just finished renovating our cabin. So you might ask, why would we sell our cabin just a little bit after we had just finished renovating it? Well, have you met us lately?
Yeah.
It's just kind of who we are. We love a good project. We love taking something new and then working really hard at it and then taking it to the next level and then moving on to the next thing. One of my favorite authors, his name is Neil Gaiman. He wrote The Sandman. It's a novel. And he famously said, change or die, right? And that's one of the philosophies we try to live by in our own life. It keeps things fresh and it keeps us moving forward and it keeps us changing and growing.
But it's really important to take something with you when you move from one era of your life to the next. And our time on Villa Vie has really given us some lessons and experiences that we're going to take forward that I think are really valuable.
Yeah, I think there's something you have to understand. A year on the Villa Vie Odyssey is equivalent to 5 years in real life, in real time, because there's so much that happens to you.
It's dense.
It's very dense. Oh, that's a great way to describe it. Because every few days, you're in a different country. You're at a different port and you're learning new language, you're learning new customs, you're getting used to navigating a new environment. There's a reset that occurs in your life constantly. So we learned so much because you had to during that time.
And we enjoyed it and we got over the hump. You know, when you do something enough for long enough in a concentrated way, you learn it and you get comfortable. I can't tell you how many passport stamps we have. I can't tell you how much currency we have from, left over. But the real thing that we took with us are lessons and experiences that we're really able to apply going forward, like here in Bangkok.
Yeah, we have become savvy travelers now, but we've also become more fearless travelers than we ever were before.
Yeah.
So because it's really been solidified with us while we've spent this time in Bangkok where we are now. A few years ago when we were slow traveling, we came to Bangkok and we did a few things. We had a tour guide, but yeah, we didn't do as much as we probably should have. One of the reasons why it was hot. We did not know how well enough to schedule our travel to avoid the worst weather times of year.
But we were on a cruise as well.
That's true.
That
we didn't have a lot of choices.
Yeah.
But the other thing is, because it was our first time in Bangkok, you go out on the street in Bangkok in most areas, and it is overwhelming. There's so much sensory overload. Yeah. There's street vendors and tuk-tuks going by. And scooters and construction. And it's a lot. We spent way more time in the hotel than we probably should have. We should have gone out there and explored.
Yeah.
But we didn't.
Yeah.
But now, post Villa Vie, we are fearless, as we said. We have been to all corners of Bangkok this time around. We've seen everything. We will go out in the street.
We're like wandering out in traffic. We're like wandering.
That's what you do when you're a local. You feel fearless.
You relax into it and you're more present. I think I'm enjoying it more because I'm less focused on getting there. That's a valuable lesson. And I think we've taken it. I think we took it to Kyoto. I know we're taking it here and going forward. So, the real thing is we're learning all these lessons. We're also learning what we like and what we don't. As you do more travels, you refine kind of who you are. Of course, we're growing as people. So the big deal is as we go forward in our life, we're taking these lessons and these experiences. And I think we're going to travel better and we're going to travel smarter.
Now it's time to tell you who we were replaced with, who are the new owners of our cabin. And it couldn't have been a more perfect story because we didn't just sell to any old strangers. We sold to people that we already know, people that we adore and really respect.
Really love these guys.
We sold to people who are already owners on the Villa Vie Odyssey. They actually owned something smaller and they really wanted more space. And as you know, that really reflects the story that we had when we were on the Odyssey. We were in a smaller cabin and we wanted to move up to a larger space as well.
And guess what? You get to meet them today. They actually did some video for us. We asked them to do it and they did it. We thank them so much for it. And we're so glad to share it with you. You know, they taped themselves on their first day of moving in and show us around the place. We are so excited for their new story. And we're really proud that we could be the prequel to their new story and their new life on the Odyssey. Take a look.
Hey Michael, hey Chris, does this look familiar? We are walking up to your beautiful cabin 7009, which is now our cabin 7009. And it's holidays here, December 1st in Fiji. So here's a little view of the outside of the door. And if you're ready, we're gonna show you what we've done. It's December 1st, we haven't done a lot, but it's gonna be beautiful. So here we go.
Oh my goodness, look at this cabin. Here we are inside, just over the threshold. We're going to give you a quick overview and then we're going to kind of come back around and point out a few special touches. But look at how lovely this place looks.
It's so beautiful. The colors are so warm. The decor is amazing.
These closets are huge. They hold everything we could possibly need. And
now
you're wondering.
A little bit more about what? Are they wondering?
They might be wondering who we are.
I'm Tom.
And I'm Donna. Hey, nice to meet y'all.
And we are the new owners of Michael and Chris's beautiful cabin here on the Odyssey. We can't even tell you how excited we are.
It's unbelievable. It's a dream come true, and we are so grateful. I could just start crying right now. It's so wonderful.
So Michael and Chris have been our best friends since they got on board. We're original Belfast people. I've been on since Southampton, that long. We're not vloggers. We're barely on social media. We just love what we're doing here on the Odyssey, and right now we're in Fiji, and couldn't be happier. So this is December 1, day 1 in this beautiful cabin, and I think it's stunning.
I totally agree. So we're going to give you a little bit more detail. So here we go. We have a few little decor items that we've put up. You can see what we have here.
Aperol Spritz for the win.
Aperol Spritz, our favorite drink. You may have noticed Tom's t-shirt, which has a big Aperol Spritz on it. There you go. The first desk over here to our in front of us, as you can see, has this wonderful new Nespresso coffee maker and these lovely new mugs and a little tray underneath. It's so adorable. Thank you, Chris and Michael, for doing that for us. And we added just a couple little things, our fruit bowl and a little flowers. And down below here, we now have this gorgeous wine rack. Again, compliments of Chris and Michael. Thank you. Thank you. We are going to be outside in a minute, but I'm going to give you a little sneak preview right out there. Okay, we'll come back to that later. And of course, we have our refrigerator with this lovely little place where we can make drinks.
So a little bit of champagne, a little bit of wine, a little bit of Aperol. And now, most importantly, we were in an outside cabin before, which is obviously smaller and didn't really have a seating area. This is our absolute favorite area. We come in, we can sit there, we can just kind of lounge and not feel like we're having to half sit on the bed and half sit in a single chair. So it's absolutely lovely, and it's just warm and comfortable. We tried to match the decor a little bit, so we have a little olive green, a little bit of warm
cream
warms
and brown,
exactly.
And their chairs are so comfortable, so that's really fun. So if we head over here towards the bedroom area, you can see we have again a few little knickknacks that we've added, but look at this bedding, this gorgeous olive green linen, absolutely fantastic feeling and beautiful to look at bedding that we adore.
And it makes the place feel so warm. So it's just a really, really nice
thing. It pulls out the green in the painting, which of course we love.
Yeah,
I mean, it's so fantastic. And then over here to the second desk, again, a few little personal touches. We have a little Buddha. We have a little fountain. You might be able to hear it in the background. It's so, so wonderful. So every day we get up and just cannot believe we get to live here. It's just been a dream come true. Really, really love it. So there you have it.
How about a sneak peek at the bathroom?
Yeah, let's do a sneak peek at the bathroom. Let's do that. Okay, we're not quite as organized as those guys were, but we do have a cute little clock that we've added. We have this gorgeous artwork that, again, Chris and Michael bought and didn't even get a chance to enjoy before they left. And not to mention the wallpaper that we can't even get over. It's so fantastic. And these brand new medicine cabinets that hold everything you could possibly want. It's just fantastic. And with that, give us a second and we'll go take you outside. So here we are heading out to the balcony. Look at this absolutely gorgeous view. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And look at this balcony. It is so incredible.
So this is a new little rope chair that we're going to try, in addition to the hammock that Michael and Chris have on the back that's strung up between the two. But most importantly, just look at what it's like out here on a sail away day. This is the magic of being on the Odyssey. This is going to be the magic of being on this balcony. It is just stunning.
We could not be happier with this balcony, and we're just starting to have a chance to really enjoy it, and just, again, pinching ourselves. It's so great. So look at this coming up here. Oh my, so
that's
pretty.
The bridge up in front. That's the captain park the ship every time we come in.
Yeah, there's the bridge. So beautiful evening. As you can tell, it's probably 80 degrees or 85 degrees. It's really lovely. And one last thing we'd like to show you is this lovely charting our course, Chris and Michael. Oh my gosh, we love this.
We pinch ourselves every single time we see it. Absolutely love you. We love you guys. We think
We
of you
love
daily.
you so
Cannot
much.
wait until we catch up with you again,
And-
which will be soon. See you in Australia.
See you in Sydney. Bye,
Until then,
guys.
ciao, ciao.
Ciao, ciao. Bye.
And there you have it. Some stories continue, albeit in a different form, and some new stories are made, and that's just as it should be. Now, you may have read in between the lines and saw that we had some packages delivered while we were away. That came while we were not quite sure if we were going to sell or not, but Tom and Donna, they were so kind. They received the packages for us, and they did their own kind of unboxing in our absence, which was terrific. Thank you, Tom and Donna.
Christmas! Look at that. So we will do a little unboxing and send it to you. Thank you. Love, love, love living here. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks, Tom and Donna. Yeah, it takes a while to get stuff from the U.S. to wherever we are. So we ordered this stuff a while back, and we were so glad that Tom and Donna wanted to use it. Stuff like the bedding, which I really love, and I think it looks great in the room. But the other thing is we really love that they added stuff that really makes it theirs, like the Buddha statue. I think that really gives it an energy that is them for sure, and it makes it uniquely theirs. So good work.
Yeah, we love what you've done with the cabin, and we love you, Tom and Donna. Be happy there, and welcome home.